Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to add the shortcut into the Mozilla Firefox homepage. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the first step you can do, you can open this Firefox, and here I am accessing it with my PC. And for example, this will be the options for the user profile. For example, I will choose this one and click Start Firefox. And as you can see, usually there will be the shortcut for the website that I usually or frequently visit. As an example, so this will be the shortcut that usually show in the Google, guys. And if you find the case or the issue that this shortcut is not exist over here, or it doesn't exist over here, don't worry guys, because you can start to do the settings. So you can go to this three stripe on the top right corner, or this open application menu, and after that you can go to the setting. And after that, you can start to click this home, and in this category of Firefox home content, so you need to make sure that the shortcuts is already enabled or being activated. So you can tick this or mark this, and after that, to make sure that the shortcut is already activated, so you can start to open the new tab. So this will be the shortcut we have now. And after that, if you would like to add the shortcut over here, you can click this plus. This is very easy. And for example, I will create it for the workspace. And the URL will be, for example, www.theclickup.com. And after that, you can customize by the image, but if you don't want it, is okay, and click add. And for example, if you'd like to use it, then you can click this, and it will automatically direct you into this website. So if you'd like to add the another more, don't worry, it's still available room over here. You can click at the shortcut again. For example, for the entertainment, I will use here the www.instagram.com, for example, and click add, and you can start to use it, and it will direct you into this instagram.com. So that's all guys, don't forget to try this tip and trick, and I hope this video finds you helpful. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to share comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.